Welcome to the Communities of Practice section. This part of the website is designed to help you connect with groups of professionals who share knowledge, experiences, and activities in your field. A community of practice, or COP, within the SIPex context, is defined as a group of people who engage in collective learning and knowledge sharing around a common topic or area of focus. A community of practice can be formal, like a highly intentional working group that meets regularly to discuss issues and share learnings on a topic, or they may grow in a more informal way, like the colleagues you grab dinner with at conferences to chat about your work, resulting in an incidental benefit to the main focus of the gathering. To get started, navigate to the Find a Community of Practice page. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of communities of practice. The list is fully searchable. You can search for COPs by sample activities, like field tours hosted by communities, or you can look for COPs by region, by name, or try other keywords. When you find a community of practice you're interested in, click the Learn More button. This will take you to the repository entry for that COP, where you can find detailed information, including a description of the group's purpose and focus. If you notice a community of practice that isn't yet listed, you can easily submit it by clicking the Add a Community of Practice button, which will lead you to a Submit form. Submitting a community helps ensure the directory stays up to date and continues to connect practitioners across the field. We hope that this directory helps you find the right community of practice to strengthen connections that drive collaboration and learning. Welcome to SIPex, your knowledge hub for silviculture innovation in BC.